To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, this is Aishwarya Kapoor and a very warm welcome to another episode of COVID-19 Bulletin. The corona cases in India are coming down, but now the presence of a new variant of coronavirus, Delta Plus, in some parts of the country has raised concerns. This Delta Plus variant has been categorized as a variant of concern, as it has high transmission potential. It binds stronger to receptors of lung cells and has the potential to cause a reduction in monoclonal antibody response. Delta Plus variant has been found in Ratnagiri and Jalgaon districts of Maharashtra, Palakkad and Pathanmthitta districts of Kerala, and Bhopal and Shivpuri districts of Madhya Pradesh. Now, taking a precautionary approach, the Union Health Ministry has advised states such as Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh to ramp up containment measures, enhance testing, tracking and vaccination in districts and clusters where the Delta Plus variant has been found. The Union Health Ministry was alerted to the presence of the Delta Plus variant by the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomic Consortia or INSA-CoG, which routinely sequences SARS-CoV-2 samples from various states to check for the new emerging variants of SARS-CoV-2. Given the threat posed by the Delta Plus variant, the Health Ministry has also advised these states to send adequate samples of positive persons to the designated laboratories of INSA-CoG so that further guidance in the matter can be provided to states. On to some other news. Many people are experiencing high blood sugar after recovering from COVID-19 disease. As per experts, an Ayurvedic formulation, BGR34, can be beneficial for such individuals. This Ayurvedic formulation is based on natural bioactive compounds and can help manage high blood sugar. As per a study published in the journal Diabetes, Obesity and Metabolism, at least 14.4% of patients reported onset of diabetes as they were hospitalized for COVID-19. The BGR34 formulation could help these patients as it has natural bioactive compounds of Daruharidra, which is a DPP4 inhibitor. Research has established that DPP4 inhibitors are the safest against post-COVID high blood sugar. Doctors will now get help from a new software to identify patients likely to require ventilator support in an ICU and referral in time and make necessary arrangements before an emergency sets in. This new software, called COVID Severity Score software, consists of an algorithm that measures symptoms, signs, vital parameters, test reports and comorbidities of the COVID-positive patient and scores each against a preset dynamic algorithm, thus allocating a COVID severity score. This score can help doctors and hospitals prioritize patients which may require ICU or ventilator during treatment. This technology has been developed by the Kolkata-based Foundation for Innovations in Health with support from the Science for Equity, Empowerment and Development Division of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, in collaboration with IIT Guwahati. This technology has already been put to use in the 3 community COVID care centers at Kolkata and suburbs, including a 100-bed government-mandated COVID care center at Barakpur, Kolkata. This new software will surely help us manage the COVID-19 pandemic-induced health crisis in a better manner. Well, that is all for now in this bulletin. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download the India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And don't forget to follow us on social media as well. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching.